This is a fully fledged robot vacuum. Auto empty, auto recharge, vacuum, mop, app control, so many features, but also so affordable. I can't believe it. Possibly the most affordable robot vacuum on the whole market right now. But is it good? Let's find out. Got the new drip from Verefa, the V60M Pro Robot Vacuum. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the box. Let me show you the top first. Top right here. Bottom is just blank. Then we also have this side. GyroSense navigation, 2700 PA suction power, auto water control mopping system and auto emptying dirt system. Then we also have this side and this side right here. Down here we have all the contents of the box. So it will come with loads of accessories and the last side of the box right there. So aside from the aforementioned features, we also have an optical path sensor, Alexa and Google Assistant, voice assistance, Wi-Fi enabled and remote control. So let's open up this box. So we have a box with the accessories, then this amazing looking protective cardboard structure, and then in here we have the vacuum, nice looking vacuum. Also the base station right here, also wrapped up. So there we have it, beautiful base and a beautiful vacuum. Yeah, next up, let's get right to the accessories and the manual. So here we have the box with the accessories. Let's see. All right, looking good. So first of all, we have a remote. Really nice looking white remote. It will come with batteries. AAA. Let's go. Feeling really nice. Then here we have two spare brushes, rotating brushes. Nice. We have one spare one because we will need to use one, of course. Then here we have the mopping attachment. So we have this side right here. Actually, that's better. And then the bottom with the fabric, looking good. We will also get a few cable ties. A nice looking white cable that's even angled for the base. Love it. Then right here we will get two dust bags actually with the auto close. And lastly, of course, the paperwork. Oh, there is more. One replaceable HEPA filter for the vacuum. And here we have the paperwork, card with the socials. Then here we have the quick start guide, just 4 pages, nice and easy, 2 and 3, and the customer service. And then we also have a super detailed manual, looking amazing. That's an awesome manual right there. And that's it. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. Protective covers. Let's remove them. And another one right here. So there we go, check it out. The build quality is looking superb. Really nice looking, mainly held in white. The vacuum itself has this glass surface. 3 nice buttons here with the sensors in the front. Optical path sensor. We still have these protective things in there. And the base is also looking beautiful, mainly in white with a black accents. Auto emptying. 2 more tapes. Beautiful surfaces. Really like it. Shiny accents. All right, let's take a close look. So starting with the vacuum, we have the top with the brand, then the home button, on-off button and the spot cleaning. And then here in the front, we have this nice shiny black surface with a rubber bumper. Air vents on the side, in and out, charge contacts. And then here in the back, you can push this down. This whole thing will come out. We have the accessories right here, water tank right here. Little tutorial, this mechanism and this mechanism for opening up the dust compartment. Here we can see the filter that's already placed inside. So we have one spare one, as I said. Then this little bristle with the hair cutter. That's the door for the auto emptying. And from the bottom, yeah, and that's the thing from the inside. And when we take a look at the bottom, here we have the wheels. Spring loaded, of course. We have the sensors, one up here. Also the wheel, more infos right there. We have the optical path sensor, and of course right here we can insert the bristle. Oh, that was easy, it just pops on. Nice. And then the brush roll, we can remove the whole, well, the cover first of all, like this, cover from the bottom. And here we have the roll. This will come out like so, and that's the roll. And there we go. And here we have the base. That's the back side. Let's plug in the power cable. Easy as that. It's beautiful. We have two cable canals, one for the left, one for the right. So we can put it all the way to the wall. Pretty genius design. We have this nice pattern on the side. Then right here, underneath here is a filter. There's the air outlet, of course, for the auto emptying mechanism. Then we have this side right here. Then we have the docking part on the front with the charging contacts, little rubber seal right here, brand and nice accents on the front. And the other side looks fairly similar. And right here we have the bottom, so 4 nice rubber feet and this nice transparent air channel. And lastly, the top right here. Here we can open up the compartment, and inside here we have another bag. This one was already in there, and when you pull it out you will of course close it, and on the lid we have this. So yeah, great looking system, that's for sure. Not bad, right? So next up, let's check out the app and then of course test it. So we're ready to turn it on. So let's plug it in first of all. Boom. And now let's press the on button. Nice, they will light up. It's just looking so beautiful. Home button. Hey, wow, don't tell me. Oh my goodness. Well, that's convenient. I love it. So while it's charging, I will of course download the app, Verefa Live. Let's go. So we have removed the protective items, we have installed the side brush, we have placed the base, the robot vacuum is charging, so that was actually a really smooth experience. Alright, here we go with the app, and here is the placement of the charging station again. So let's agree. Turn on Bluetooth and location, of course. Okay, let's sign up. Alright, smooth process. So we have the Me section with the location, voice control, robot management, all of that good stuff, also settings. And we have the robot segment right here. So let's click on the plus or on the add robot. Give the permission. Here we have the robots, V60M Pro it is. It already recognized the Wi-Fi. Recharge button and spot cleaning button for 3 seconds. Press and hold. White light flashes. Perfect. Next step. Okay. Let's go. Okay, it's called Smart Life. There we go. Okay, let's return to the app. Ah, there we go. Great experience so far. Nothing to it. It's actually really easy. There we go. And it's fast too. Okay, so I already did that. Enter robot. Environment organization. Don't disturb mode. Recharge and resume. Nice feature. And the robot volume, got it. Here we have the dashboard. So in the top corner, we have the setup basically. We have auto boost, recharge, resume, don't disturb mode, auto emptying, settings, volume.
Hi, here I am.
Remote
Hi,
control
here I
mode.
am.
Ah, you can use the phone as a remote. But you can also use the actual remote. Oh my god. Thankfully it has the sensors. Find my robot, shared robot, scheduled. Rename it right here, cleaning records. We also have a track. Well, consumables will get tracked. We can also update the firmware, user manual, and we can do a factory reset and remove the robot. So yeah, looking good to me. We have the location on the map. We have the home button. We have the play button that's like, you know, start cleaning. Let's pause it again. We can check the suction, standard, that's good, and mop only. And auto empty dirt, let's check that out. And we can also check the spot cleaning and also control the volume of the water. But yeah, first of all, auto emptying. All right, good stuff. And now let's try it out. So here we go, I have my little secluded test area, which actually is quite dirty right here. Entrance area. So first of all, let's just go for a cleaning cycle with all the default settings. Let's just go. Yes, sir. Grab that dirt. So that's also the mapping progress right there. So we're done with this side and now it's cleaning this side. And with the standard mode, it's actually not that loud. It's really not too bad. And we also get the real-time location of the robot on the map. Ah, okay, so first of all, it went out in this, like this, and now it went for a second round. Now the other direction, not bad actually. Ah, there we go. Done with the cleaning, it seems. And I also turned off the auto emptying. Alrighty, good stuff. So first successful test. Now I will use the remote and make it move forward. That is so cool. Alright, I have my test debris. Oh, these are really light. This is cut up foam, so this will probably blow around. But let's go for a spot clean. Boom. That's actually genius. It will do a circular motion for the spot cleaning, not this pattern. So I actually like this idea a lot. And actually, when you see a spot, let me actually use the remote. There we go. And now I can actually also do it like this. That is so funny. I love it. All right, back to the base. And now let's also give the mop a short test. So I will fill up the water tank right now. Here we go. So there we go. Now the mop will snap in place like that. Volume of water is medium. That's good.
Mop, flow level, medium.
So let's see. Ah, we can see the water in the tank quite well. There you can see the water. That's actually a great indicator if you want to know if you need to refill it or not. So yeah, mopping and cleaning all in one. Love to see that. Yeah, and right here we can see that it actually is leaving the floor with a good amount of water. Looking good to me. All right, that's enough, my friend. Back to the base. Actually, let me grab that. Nice. Great looking mop. Yeah, and for the last test, let's try mapping my whole flat. And for this I will need to remove all of this equipment. But yeah, let's see. And I will see in a bit with the result. So here we go. Check it out. And as you can see, it's done with the mapping. Looking good to me. So yeah, it did well in my little tests. And as you can see, it's a fully fledged vacuum that can map and clean and mop the whole flat. So yeah, big thumbs up from my side. I will let it do the rest of the cleaning and I will see in a bit with my conclusion. Verefa's motto is let smart create happiness for you through affordable high quality home products. Totally. Affordable for sure. This price point will make everyone happy. And for what you will get, this is actually amazing value. It did well in all the tests. It can basically do the same as any other robot vacuum that I own when it really comes down to it. But this is less than half the price. Great cleaning results, great build quality too. It looks stunning. This glass top, it's just beautiful. So yeah, pretty awesome smart robot vacuum right here. Definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.